Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Installing Python on Lubuntu is a straightforward process. Lubuntu is a lightweight Linux distribution, and Python is often pre-installed. However, to ensure you have the latest version or if you need to install it for the first time, follow these steps. You can open the terminal by pressing Ctrl Alt T or by searching for it in the application menu. Before installing any software, it's a good practice to update the package list to get the latest information about available packages. Lubuntu usually comes with Python pre-installed. You can check the installed version using the following command. If Python is not installed, you can install it using the package manager. The following command installs Python 3. Check that Python is installed correctly by running. This should display the installed Python version, such as Python 3.x.x. Pip is a package management system used to install and manage Python packages. To install pip, use the following command. Check that pip is installed correctly. This should display the installed pip version. It's a good practice to use virtual environments to manage project-specific dependencies. Install the Vent module using. Create a virtual environment. Activate the virtual environment. To deactivate the virtual environment when you're done, simply use. That's it. You've successfully installed Python on Lubuntu. You can now start developing Python applications or scripts on your Lubuntu system. If you have any specific requirements or need additional libraries, you can use pip to install them within your virtual environment. Remember to replace Python 3 with Python if you are working with Python 2, although it's recommended to use Python 3, as Python 2 has reached its end of life. ChatGPT.